Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. Today I have the pleasure of going over this 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 LS1 5.7 liter with a 6-speed manual transmission, leather buckets, and console car. This is a 4-owner car, clean Carfax, clean auto check, in very, very good original condition, with a few mild upgrades to the motor, in which you'll have to read my description. There's a lot going on there, and to the transmission upgrades that for upgraded performance. So check that out. Original black car. I'm gonna walk around it. Beautiful with the ground effects. Nice spoiler in the back. It does have T-tops as well, but it's got a beautiful finish. Upgraded exhaust, dual exhaust system as well. The car is just simply beautiful. And the only reason I got this car in our collection of classic cars, it's not really a classic car, but only because it's a 6-speed LS1. I mean, these things outperform a lot of cars, and it's a bang for your buck as far as what you're getting. So again, walking around the car, as you can see, beautiful black paint, dual sport mirrors, upgraded wheels, ground package, beautiful setup on the engine compartment with the LS1, as you can see. It's a 5.7 aluminum headed motor. Really clean engine compartment. And again, it being 4 owners, how do you go wrong with this car? It's sleek, it's nice, air conditioning blows cold. Let's go over the paint real quick. I'll show you any defects in the paint. Let's see, that's just very minor there, but I'm being really anal and really picky. But I have to because you're out of state. And I gotta be honest with everything that you guys are buying because you're not here. So any defects I'm gonna share with you. Okay, that's a little tiny scratch there. As we continue to go across, I mean, look at the reflection on this paint. And it's smooth, These 4 owners really took care of this Z28. Look at that reflection. It's a mirror finish. Okay, there's a little something going on there with the paint, but it is original. Beautiful chrome wheels, disc brakes, power steering, cold air. Front clip is nice. Just a little damage right there, just a little bit, but you can touch that up. T-tops. Clear T-tops, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, nice bucket seat, console, tilt wheel, back seat, all seat belts. Everything's like it should be. Wait till I fire this thing up. Woo! That's why I bought it right here. Z28 6-speed LS1. Yeah, baby. $62,626 miles. So right now the exhaust, this has cut off electric exhaust system. Okay. Now I'm going to open it, okay? So it's right there. The button is right there for the exhaust, okay? It's all hidden. Radio functions. Air is cold. Wear and tear on it is beautiful. I mean, it's in pristine condition, man. Cluster is nice and clear. Dash is excellent. Hold on. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's a lot of car for the money. A lot of car, boys, girls. A lot of car. Let me mount this camera up. I'm gonna gonna go for a nice drive. 4-wheel disc brake. Got power seat as well. All right, we're back. The locks for the wheels are in the center glove box. Okay, it's all there. Stereo functions, all the controls work, all the gauges function, horn, wipers, we're all good. Brakes are great on the car. What an awesome Z28, man. Stops excellent, steers good. I mean, what else do you want? Hot Rod Power Tour, here we come. Anyway, MGM Classic Cars is transparent. I'll tell you everything about it, everything about the vehicles. I know a lot of you guys and gals are buying from out of state, and I want to share with you everything about it, make you feel warm and fuzzy, and earn your trust. Trust is not given, right? So I have to earn it. And by me earning it is showing you everything about my cars. And that's what I do. Now, mind you, I can't keep everybody happy, right? We all have different opinions about things. But I've owned probably over 1,000 cars. So I kind of know what I'm talking about. I don't know, maybe not. But anyway, I'm located in Addison, Illinois, as you know. And I'm 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, and I'm 45 minutes from Midway Airport. If you guys and gals wanted to fly in and drive this back home, it's not a problem. Also, if you need driveway delivery, that's what I do, to your doorstep. Enclosed carrier, open carrier, price varies. Quote, you can send me a text message with your zip code, and I'll send you a quote. Just let me know if you want enclosed or open, or you want a quote for both, so you can make a decision. I can do so. Okay. For you guys and gals who want to finance or need financing and your credit score is between 625 and 750. Yeah, this is not a stock car. Let's say that out the gate. But again, let's get back. Sorry, 625 to 750 credit score will require 10% down. Your application is at mgmclassiccars.com. If your credit score is over 750, go to lightstream.com, fill out the application. You'll get approved in 15 minutes with a no money down option. The bank will put the money in your account the following business day, and then we can complete our transaction with the dealership. What else? If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Why? I get new cars in every day. If you guys are watching this on Facebook, like and share it. I think I covered everything, man. The exterior, the interior, the test drive. I mean, you know, you're talking 10-12 minute video explaining things about the car. We're happy to have this. I know we're not going to come across many of these. Man, this thing's badass. Listen to this thing purr, man. The handling is outstanding. Wow. Makes you feel like you're in high school all over again, man. It's awesome. Well, my name's Thomas, and I'm coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com. Don't forget to check out our webpage. I think I got over close to 100 cars for sale. All right, talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.